Hi friends, today I am going to dress up for the party. This party is for the award, young award winner. I am the youth achievement award winner. So in the youth achievement award winner, I want to dress up good. And I first decided to wear this, but then they advised me to change it. So quickly I'm going to change and then get back to you and show you how I'm going to look that time. Bye. I will have to apply the bangles. That's it. I have applied things and now I want to comb my hair. But
I received this award. I'm very happy to receive this award, and I give all credit to my parents.